Yo, welcome back to another live stream. And I don't know why, whenever I start my live stream, I forget to connect my audio. So, yes, I usually do that before even starting my live stream. Anyways, guys, I will be doing physics today. Physics, so we're gonna revise the whole stuff. Overall, we have to try our best to revise the half of physics. I mean, of course, it's not going to be possible for one day, but I think it's possible for 1 week, guys. I suppose feel that I can do that under somewhere around this like 1 week. But yeah, this is not going to be easy at all. It's going to be studying and studying and studying. Physics is not going to be that easy at all. It's going to take a lot of time. And of course, what I know is that I can complete my syllabus of physics whenever I start studying. So I think this is a great timing for me to go through each and every stuff. So yep, let's start. And sorry for the small delay. Let's do it. I'm gonna lower my mic. Okay, can you hear me? I don't think so. This is loud, but let's just see. I don't want myself to catch me going so loud. So I'm gonna search my channel. I'm gonna check it out. Um, what is this, man? I have no idea. The weird thing about this channel here is that there is something called "Did you mean totality Ohio?" I really hate that. There is a thing actually that exists, and I really hate it. It's fine though. I mean, does not go that off. But yes, today. So apparently, we are gonna go and check this out. I'm gonna go through my live stream now. I'm gonna check if it is working or not. And I've been planning about how I'm gonna be streaming through my phone, but let's see. How's my quality of the camera? Just tell me, guys. I'm not sure. I'm just checking it out. I mean, why do I look so oily? I look so oily. It looks like I actually literally poured a lot of oil on my face. Oh my god, literally. It does not even look like I'm sweating actually. Not gonna lie. Anyways, let's just start off with what we need to have the idea of. That is physics, of course. Um, we are gonna do this part. I'm gonna wear my headphones on because I'm gonna attend a lecture from the laptop itself. So let's not waste any time. Let's focus on what we have to do. Oh, what's this? Okay, never mind. Let's just move on. I have to connect with my channel. But anyways, for right now, what I'm gonna do is basically go through the Chrome, and I have to search up for YouTube. I think it's not connected to my account, but it's fine. I mean, I don't want to go through that mainly. So yeah, of course. Let's write down here what I need to go through. Uh, okay. Okay, let's do it. Wait. So we're gonna take this. You're gonna take 10. Then let me think about this. Okay. You got 10. Then we go back full on to minus 10. Okay, that's 20 right there. Then we gotta go to again to 10. That is. That's straight up 10 again. Plus 4. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4. Okay, got it. Wait, is my face getting cut off from the cam? Wait a minute. No, it does not. It does not. I felt like no, it's getting cut off for some reason. I felt like that. Yeah, like somehow. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Um. Okay. Gotta adjust the cam too. Do you want my mic to be muted? I'm not sure, bro. There is nobody watching me, so maybe not. I'm not sure. Maybe. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do a challenge today. Okay. For anyone who's watching me right now, I'm not sure because I have no idea. In this live stream, I'm not gonna read the chat. I'm not gonna even like look at my analytics of my live stream. I usually do that because I have to get some idea of how my live stream is going on. If the Wi-Fi connection of the live stream is fine or not. That's what I have to mainly focus on. But if this thing takes place, then we will be thinking about this. Meaning that, what am I saying? Sorry, my bad. Meaning that in this live stream, I'm not gonna actually exactly do what gonna look at what I do is basically look at the chat, read them, answer them, and all that stuff. So any people who will be chatting or doing something, I will of course not have the idea of you guys chatting because I don't even have my chat right now. I have to open YouTube Studio, or I have to actually connect OBS with the docs, meaning that I have to get from the docs for the chat. I can do that, but I feel like let's do it as a form of challenge, that I'm not gonna look at the chat. I'm not gonna be doing that all that stuff. So I was like, you know what? Let's just do it. Let's just like focus on what I'm gonna do. Mainly, what happens is that whenever I actually take my live stream, it becomes a bit heavy duty. Why? Because while I'm studying, I have to also ensure my live stream is going on, as well as I'm studying too. Because the thing is that sometimes my OBS crashes for a random amount of certain times. I'm not sure, but there is some certainty onto it, and that happens like 5 or 6 times on max, maybe. Like if I'm actually going on full for 6 to 7 hours, or more than that. That could be more than that. I can even reach this limit too, beyond the limit. Sorry, my bad. So yeah, this is technically what I'm thinking of actually. So yep, guys, you will not be seeing me about how I'm gonna actually like have this get the idea of what I'm gonna do. And my mic is a bit lower because I don't want this to be too loud. So if you're hearing my live stream, then it may be a little bit off, because it's a little bit switched low, like down, like very really low. That's what I can say. Anyways, guys, let's just continue. I don't want to waste my time. I wanted to just ask that. I'm not sure. Let's just continue. Kara piya chata piya tata tatiya pata 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 pata. Acha, distance, position, place. What am I saying, bro? Like what position? This is lowering down. This is actually, yeah. So I'm gonna say that this is positive. Question number one, positive. Question number two, negative. Acceleration is negative. Here is also negative. Question number four, acceleration is positive. Question number five, acceleration is negative. Question number six, acceleration is it could be like, no, wait, think about this. It's like kind of a parabola that's going, so it's gonna be positive. mm. Okay. Okay, so question number four, that is v being positive as the slope is going upwards, then, and that's to the right side, so it's not on the left. And oh yeah, I forgot to eat. I gotta eat too. I'm gonna keep my plate here. I just hope that it does not like or do anything. But anyways, question number seven. No, wait. Velocity here is, I mean, it's increasing, but then it's also decreasing at the same time. Like the slope was first initially increasing, but then it went to zero. Then it started to decrease. So I don't know exactly how to say this because it's like a whole case that you're showcasing. So I would say uh, initially velocity was increasing. Then at the mid, it actually became zero. Then finally, it decreases. It decreased. Like I think it was being negative. Sorry, my bad. This is positive. This is negative. So this one initially it was. This is a whole opposite case, right? Is it? Wait. Chill. Let me think about this. So it's a parabola, of course. It's a downward parabola, and the acceleration is positive. I can understand through that. But the thing is that velocity is initially negative right there because of the slope going downwards to the left side, but then it reaches zero again. So finally we actually get to see that it goes upwards again. That is basically giving us positive. So yep, that's what I would say, because it's a whole case that is being taken down. Got it. Okay, I knew it, I got it correct. But then he's showing it through the graph, so I actually just wrote initially it's like positive and then finally it's like negative. I mean that's also fine, but then I should have also wrote the mid part when we reach at the mid part or the midpoint. I'm not sure whether we can say midpoint. Can we say midpoint? Mainly we actually say it for straight lines, like for mainly for the line segments. But in this one, it's a, like it's like a parabolic path. So I'm not sure. Like, should we? If we say midpoint, then I can say that, yeah, like if we make a slope out of it, it's going to be horizontal, and therefore the velocity will be zero. So the slope of the velocity is of course going to be zero right there. I like the graph though. Like X3 graphs are basically giving you velocity because it's because of the slope formula. Positive. W. W. Man, physics is fun, man. I mean, yeah, I'll say one thing. The, overall, how my experience for physics is. See, physics is actually very, very competitive. I can say that for sure. It's not easy at all. But every student will say this, maybe. I'm not sure how many students will say it's easy because, yes, if you practice a lot of physics, I mean, if you practice a lot of physics, eventually it becomes easier for a person to easily, like, he will start calling that subject very easy for himself because he practiced a lot. So if you start practicing a lot, like, trying to give 100 questions for each and every chapter, then he literally calls physics easy because he knows that he had practiced a lot. So yeah, uh, if he does this throughout the academic year where he practices 100 questions for each chapter, then he's capable of, like, maintaining that streak. Anyways, it's not based on, like, doing numericals. Also you have to go through the derivation theories sometimes because you have to revise in physics. It's not like, for because physics is vast. The subject is really big actually. Like 14 chapters in that one subject is crazy though. I mean, it's not like difficult at all. So I mean difficult, but then it's fun at the same time. Any person who hates physics, then he will suffer. I mean, yeah, he will, but at the same time he'll also gain some interest in physics because the way physics concepts are, they are really interesting if I just like talk about them. But yeah, chemistry is something else. Like, If a person hates it, he suffers from it. If a person loves chemistry, he will actually start loving with the subject. But yeah, he will kind of, like, go through some problems with chemistry, learning some concepts. He might actually get some problems right there. But I mean, it's not that bad at all. You will actually find out that, oh, this is actually interesting. This is actually going nice. That's what I actually felt for myself. Like, I got that feeling when I actually, like, I mean, when I was in ninth, I started loving science and maths. So I was like, what? When I once I grow up, I will for sure take science. Then I was like confused. Which science stream should which part of science stream should I take? So I was like, what? I was confused at that time. But then I was like, I'm good in maths. I'm good in bio. I love both of these subjects. So I was like, why not take PCMB? That's what. Okay. I also mentioned it in my first video of my channel, saying that I my stream is PCMB. That's what I have mentioned. Like very very back then. I think it has been a month ago or 2 months ago. I'm not sure. It's gonna be 2 months though. This channel is gonna be 2 months old now. Anyways, yes. I've been watching YouTube like since very very long time back. I'm like a very OG person of watching YouTube. Even though yeah, it looks weird actually saying this. Oh dang, this guy's just a newbie. He's like doing all that stuff. But yes, I've been an OG person watching YouTube a lot. I was like having ideas of why not make a YouTube channel? Why not do that? Why not do this? Like I started thinking of doing this somewhere around like 2020 or before that also. Like I started YouTube somewhere around 2010 or 2011, even though I was like 2 3 years old. But trust me, trust me. I mean, I did not watch Coco Melon at all in that YouTube channel. Did I? I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether how old Coco Melon was, but I swear I did not watch Coco Melon when I was old. I was watching some other stuff like rhymes and all that stuff. Those were some Gen Z related stuff, I would say. Yep. That's my overall experience for physics. It's looking great. I was just indirectly changing my topic, but it's like to basically discuss on how the physics looks like. It looks very fun. Anyways, let's focus. I gotta eat this too, so I'll just come back to V slope. I don't want this to go dry. Oh yeah, it's getting dry now. It's not that like heated off now. It had lost a lot of heat energy right there. Payam. M is equal to tan theta. Tan theta. Acceleration is tan theta, right? So tan 37. 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 meter per second square. Wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute. I'm coming back. Okay. Tan 37. call me that, I call you back. Because I'm back. On track. Facts. You call me that because I'm back on that track. That's facts. Is that rhyming? I'm not sure. I just thought of it. Oh, dang. I came at the right time. Bam, boys. See that thing, bro. Literally got. Yup, got crunchy. You know what? I don't want to give you some ASMR, so I'm gonna mute. How's my thumbs up? Oh no, that's okay. How's my thumbs up? I don't know why. Usually my thumbs up looks like this or like this. I don't like this actually. It should be like straight. That's a big like right there. Yep. Oh, I'm gonna munch you. Gonna munch you up. You see that? Choppy chop. Haha. And again, OBS has crashed. Yes, guys, if you don't know, what is this? I see. Okay, let me just come into YouTube Studio because I mean it's not because to just check the analytics or something. You know what? Let's not. Let's not. It's gonna break the challenge. That's it. Let's not even waste time. You know. VT graph. Okay, so we got -10, we got 14. तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट निकालना है तो कितना निकालना पड़ेगा? डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज इक्वल टू a1 minus a2. I have to find out the displacement. So a1 minus a2. Okay, wait, for distance it's gonna be a1 plus a2 plus a3. This is minus a3 here, so yep, a1 should be half of the sum of parallel sides, that is given here. Perpendicular distance, okay, sum of parallel sides, that is 5 and 10, so it's gonna be 5 here and then 12, so 12 plus 5 is gonna be 17 into the, okay, that's gonna be 10, 5, 1. A1 is 17, 5s are 5, 7s are 35, 3, 5 1s are 5, 85 meters. Now A2 will be based on how we solve this. So basically A2 is gonna be A2 is the triangle, so half BH, that is half into 2 into this one. This is gonna be -10. So if we are finding for distance, then it's gonna be a different scenario, but I'm gonna write -10 here. So A3 is gonna be should we find A3? Like, should we even find A3? No, wait, let me think about it. We don't need to find this actually, like it does not, right? What was the previous graph usually say? It ended till here. I mean, the final point is somewhere beneath the graph of VT. So we have the idea here. I know that for sure. Oh yeah, it's getting darker and darker. If you see, it's because it's gonna turn night soon. I mean, afternoon's era is gonna end here. I'm not sure, maybe, but yeah, for sure. Anyways, let me think about this. So we have this one and this one. So A1, we don't have A3 by the way. So distance is gonna be A1 plus A2, and displacement is gonna be A1 minus A2. So A1 plus A2, how much is A1 plus A2? 95 meters. Okay, displacement is, whereas it's gonna be x initial is, by the way, 0, so x final will be A1 minus A2, that is 75 meters. So delta x vector is equal to x final vector. I mean, you know what, let's not put the, let's just take the magnitude for now. X final minus x initial, that is 75 minus 0, x final is equal to 75 meters. That's it. Okay, we got this one though. However, we have to find for the AT graph. So what can we do here? Okay, we got for the distance. So can I take A as let me think about this one. So we got velocity then we got time, and overall this one was somewhere like going here, like being a negative. It's gonna be a straight line that is parallel to x-axis for a t graph, and then we have to find for the xt graph too. So first we have to find a t graph. So um acceleration here, time here. Time we are gonna put maximum up to 14. Then that's because that's where the t is equal to 14. That's where the final point is for the time. And for the time being, what we can say is, we got a 14. We can do that. Vt. We can say that it starts at 0 for sure. Yep, it starts at 0 for sure. Then it progresses. So I will go with 10. I mean, I'm not sure. This could be different. Acceleration will change because velocity is even the positive. Is it? Yeah, it's like it's going there and then just making the distance. That distance is being basically, it's increasing, then it's like 0, then it's decreasing. It's like, so the slope of this velocity thingy will be like positive initially, then 0, then negative, full through on negative. Let's see. Okay, that is 12 minus 10. Xt. So velocity this time is going negative. This time it is. But first we need to find out what we have to do here. The total distance we have, overall displacement I would say, is 75. Then this is gonna 50. Then we have time, that is going for total. Alright, it's going for the total one. So I will go with 12 here at this point. Then is it like going up? Yep, it's going up. No, wait, it's still like then it's going constant. So it's gonna be like this, and this. Oh, okay. But still, there is a small doubt though. It's gonna increase like this. What? Still doubted. I have a small doubt for displacement graph. Wait a minute. So x t 75 12. I knew it. So okay, I got it. Got it. Oh, okay, got it. Wait a minute. Close, but not a big bad thingy to go through it. So this is gonna be this AT graph 5. Then Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. Let's redraw this. Okay, got it. So up to where? Like 5, yeah. 5. Then this goes down till 10. Then this goes down up to 10 to 12. So 12 to 14. Wait. Should be like this. Minus 5. Tan alpha. XT graph. This is not gonna be easy at all. It's gonna be difficult for sure. I know that for sure. That's the thing. We know that it's gonna reach at 5. Half BH. So half BH, that's gonna be 25. 25. 5. Then, okay. Then this is gonna be like constant, zero acceleration. So it's gonna be like a slope or something. That's what I know. So this is gonna be 5, 10, 50. This one is 5, 10, 50 by 2. That's 25 plus 50, 75. 75. Got it. That's Sat, huh? Oh, I forgot to even write that. So 75, 10. Then there is a downward slope. Actually, it's because of the increasing direct increase that takes place from 10 to minus 10. Um, 75. Okay. Acceleration is going negative here. It's gonna be downwards. Up to, you've gotta find that out. It's 25, 75, and then it's gonna go down. So, how do we exactly go through and find this out? That's the main thing we need to know. So 75. Full down. Acceleration negative. It's going negative, and at that moment it's going to be 75 because I know it's gonna be at that point. It's gonna be 25 because the displacement here that's going acceleration, and then you got the displacement here. So it's like two triangles getting added up. So this is gonna be 10, 10, 12. Oh no, wait. 2. So half into 20, that's 10. This one is minus 10. Let's do it. Wait a minute, I have to check this out. It's giving me displacement at 0, so I got it. It's somewhere here. Okay, got it. Okay, got it. got it. Oh. This is that. Okay, got it. Hmm. Minus 15. Wait. Minus 15. For next 10 seconds. So 20. And T. This is V, and this is T. Hmm. 6 and 10. Let me think about this. So we got VT graph 66 here given, and then 10. Then what do we have? 20. Okay, 20. It should be minus 15 meter per second square. Delta V by T. A dot T, that is minus minus 150. Dang, that is a lot right there to bear off, huh? That says minus 150. Wait a minute, I have still small doubt. How did I that even happen? Hmm. Get it. Got it. Wait a minute, let me redo this again. VT. Meter per second. Meter per second. Let me think about this distance. It's always positive, so it's a smiley face, okay. Okay. Let me think about the AT graph now. AT XT. Distance 50. Displacement 50. Let's do it. So we have AT. No. I think I'm getting darker. It's getting darker and darker. I can see that here. Okay. -1. Got it. That's acceleration graph right there. Then this one, I got acceleration here. Got it. Okay. This one was interesting though, like the graph of XD. Oh dang, this was like going first like a straight line. I got that. Then no, sorry, like this curve straight. Then this, and if it was a distance, then this would have been the case. Yep, this one for distance, by the way, and that would be displacement here. Sound light. Light. Ten. Got it. This is the distance. A1 plus A2 Displacement will be here a1 minus a2. And that's it. How I'm gonna write equations of motion. Equations of motion. Physics, chemistry, math, Dang.